I'm Stefan Baumann, and we've got fabulous people from all over the world here doing our workshop with us. We're up here in Mount Shasta. So what we'll do is we'll sneak up on one of these and see what he's doing and find out who this person is. So, excuse me, fine artist. Turn around here. So who are you?
Doug Miller.
Doug, I see you're painting here in Mount Shasta. So what is it like to be here at this workshop?
It's cold.
Cold, yes.
But I am learning a lot.
That's good.
I'm very happy I'm taking the workshop.
Now, you've been painting for a while, haven't you?
44 years.
44 years. And after 44 years, you have a lot of knowledge.
Not as much as you.
Anyway, so, but you're definitely learning something.
Definitely.
Awesome. So where are you from?
Tucson, Arizona.
You could join us someday out here in Mount Shasta, painting this spectacular scenery. Who are you?
I'm Cindy.
Cindy. And so Cindy, is this do you do a lot of workshops?
This is my first one.
Your first one. And are you having a good time?
It's awesome.
Are you learning anything? That's what's important.
I've learned a lot.
Awesome. Anyway, so would you recommend a workshop for a beginning student?
Absolutely.
Awesome.
You guys, all I can say is you've got to come out and try this because there's nothing like it. It's completely experiential, and it's not just about putting paint on canvas. It's about listening to the birds, feeling the wind, and sucking in the rays, and just being present and really immersing yourself in this environment, because it's a very different painting that you get, because there's emotion in it, and then you can paint with emotion, which is so much better and deeper than just trying to copy a photo or something like that. So you're really getting something that is memorable, and that's going to convey in your painting. So give it a try.
So, you enjoying the workshop?
Absolutely.
Are you learning new things?
I'm getting paint on the canvas.
Is it difficult?
It's very hard to break old habits.
Yes, it is. But it's a lot of fun to learn.
But when you have a mentor and a coach, you get through it.
Thanks. I paid her to say that, by the way. So anyway, let's take a look at her painting real quick.
No!
Okay, we won't. We do respect privacy here. I just wanted to work my way down to this because this is pretty spectacular. Look at this. Now, if that doesn't convince you to come to a workshop here in Mount Shasta, I've got workshops in the spring and the fall. Of course, this is the spring workshop with all the water. You can reach me at 415-606-9074, and all of these workshops, the dates and stuff, are on my website at stefanbaumann.com. I look forward to seeing you at one of my workshops and get to witness this spectacular view of Mount Shasta.